Minister wa mahinya ma thitima na betoro bururi-ini Davis Chirchir akiaria na andiki a mohoro ni ugite ati kuri na mubango wa kuriukia kiganda kia utheria wa maguta kiria kiaguritwo ni thirikari bururi-ini wa India thutha wakio kuhuka gwa kahinda na kuria ereire aria othe marutaga wira kambuni-ini ya Kenya Petroleum Refinery Limited ni makwandikwo wira ni ruhonge rwa Kenya Pipeline.
Nobody's losing jobs. We had like Governor said again, we had PwC, PricewaterhouseCoopers, doing a study to confirm which was the best acquisition option, and we've zeroed in on the acquisition by transfer of shares as opposed to transfer of business. That would have many challenges.
Minister ucio ni oritie ruhonge rwa maguta rwa Kenya Pipeline kuheka mutaratara wa uigithia wa biashara niguo kuriukia kiganda kiria giatiganiirio gia Kenya Petroleum Refinery Limited na niguo kwagirithia maria makirigiceirie oro undu umwe na Afrika yothe ya irathiro itanya-ini ria kwagirithia unyagia wa betoro bururi-ini na kumana na uguo niguo gukorwo na kuriukia kwa utonga wa bururi.
Kenya Pipeline Corporation comes into KPRL with a very strong balance sheet, Your Excellency, of about 150 billion shillings, and with a strong company coming in to take KPRL, we can be able to see once again activities. So we expect Kenya Pipeline, and the CEO is here, Joe Sang, with his team and the board, to quickly look at the investment option, take advantage of our location, and ensure that KPRL is working for us, working for the region, working to make our lives better.
Minister ucio no athiete na mbere na kwiranira ati gutigakorwo na gufutwo kwa mawira kuri aria othe mandikitwo ringi indi ni miake mingi ya mawira iguturwo kumana na kuriukio gwa kiganda kiu. Uge uria unyititwo mbaru ni governor wa county iyo Abdul Samad Nasir.
The county government of Mombasa will give written delegated powers to the engineers at Kenya Pipeline, so that when it comes to matters of approval, we'll allow them to be able to approve to remove all these bottlenecks. However, urban planning will be included, so that in our planning, when we are now planning the whole of Mombasa, we can now not have a problem where there's going to be an oil pipeline is crisscrossing where there's water pipeline, and it has been something that has been a nightmare in the past.
Githie na mbere na gukumathira maria marathie na mbere na gukunuka guku bururi-ini njitagwo Njoki wa Maina.